Hello, my name is Georgia Kay and I'm a master's student studying museums and collections at Leiden University. During my master's, I've been interning at Naturalis Museum with the conservation and restoration teams. Recently, I've been working on cleaning various skeletal specimens, and thus I'm proud to present Got a Bone to Pick, creating an easy-to-use flowchart for cleaning skeletal specimens. I'll start by giving a little background information before explaining the various methods I tested and used to clean bones. After experimenting, I accrued my research and my finds into one simple instructional flowchart. I'll finish off by giving a brief summary of a project in which I successfully put this into practice. Just to whet your appetites, this picture shows a hippo rib pre and post cleaning. One of the very first things I was shown upon starting my internship was a rather forlorn, dirty, disarticulated hippo skeleton complete with broken wires, rusted hardware. I was set about the task of restoring it to its former glory. One of the first questions I asked myself was, does it matter if the bones are dirty? The specimen wasn't destined for display in the foreseeable future. Well, yes, for two reasons. Firstly, the dirt may obscure damage which needs to be mitigated, and secondly, the dirt itself can degrade the bone. So it does need to be cleaned. But how? The research revealed a plethora of information and records of previous experiences, but a simple, comprehensive guide was hard to find, so I set about to make my own. After gathering as much information as I could on other people's projects, I tested each method. The top left image shows where I tested spit on a section of costal cartilage from a hippo, and quickly learned that this method works better on a smoother surface. I also tried using a smoke sponge, which proved effective when there was less severe pollution. The smoke sponge performed fairly similarly to a makeup sponge, pictured below cleaning a kingfisher. The smoke sponge was a little more abrasive and thus suitable to larger and more stable specimens. Triton X100 and Simperonic A7 proved to be the most popular conservation detergents. After testing both at various concentrations, 5% seemed to perform the best whilst keeping the bone the driest, and Simperonic was my personal preference. Lastly, in the final picture, unfortunately obscured a little bit by me, you can see I tested both a manual and electric toothbrush. You can certainly put more elbow grease in with the manual, but the electric toothbrush saves your arm and therefore is a winner for me. Fresh off the back of my test drives, I constructed this flowchart. It summarises the best cleaning techniques for two classes of pollution, that is sticky and not sticky, rated in order of abrasiveness, both mechanical and chemical. As such, it facilitates cleaning the skeletal specimens in the most gentle yet most effective manner. Before cleaning, there are some additional things that I considered, particularly what's the purpose of cleaning the skeleton. While it's unlikely to get an entirely clean and white skeleton without using ammonia, if the specimen is not being cleaned for display, simply maintenance, there's just no need for such harsh chemical treatment, especially if the bones are old, fragile or porous, which brings me to my next point. Assessing the condition of the bones is vital. While one method of cleaning may be suitable for a strong or smooth bone, it may be just too abrasive for a more fragile bone. So after perfecting my cleaning methods and techniques on a number of bird skeletons, I came back to my main project, the hippo. As you can imagine, the scale increased, so what had become my trusted Philips electric toothbrush was slowing me down. You can just about see in this picture below the dirty toe, the top image, a green dish brush, which is what I switched to and allowed me to speed up. So think relative. As of yet, I'm still in the process of cleaning, but I hope that I'll be fully cleaned and put back together in a few weeks. Just to share some satisfaction, I've included a mid-cleaning before and after shot. In the pelvis, you can see that I've cleaned below the red line, the caudal vertebrae, and this highlighted in red, this is a dirty toe, before and after. So here are a few references that particularly helped me with constructing the flowchart. Thank you so much for listening. I'm looking forward to the next talk, and if anyone would like a copy of the flowchart, I'm more than happy to share. You can email me at georgia.adel@gmail.com. Thank you.